Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. Happy Monday everyone. For the ones that had to go to work, I hope you all had a great day, or if you do have to go to work at night, I hope you all have a great night on the night shift. What I wanted to do is just show you all how I'm still getting a month ahead on bills. So remember, we already talked about this yesterday. So remember, for the month of December, I do need $3,350. Actually, it was $3,347. I just rounded up because, why not? So here are all the things, if not most, that I budgeted for. And I was thinking, since I want to get back into doing a pre-budget versus the actual budget, I decided to go through all of my paychecks and just use, one from a few months ago, just a random number. I tried to get the one with the lowest number as well. So after I subtracted things such as what my sister is supposed to put in church for me for her phone bill, what my mom is supposed to put in church for her phone bill, and me sending offering cash to my sister, I came up with the amount of $2,043.78. Now, this is where I'm going to break everything down, kind of like it is over here, but it's well, it is pretty much the same, just like it is over here, except for by paycheck one. So, fixed expenses starting out, we have $35 for AT&T. Term life, I could have put that towards the savings since I am saving until that bill is due at the end of the month. Google, I am doing $1. Netflix, $4. Cricket, 59. NES, $60. State Farm, 129. And mortgage or future mortgage, however you want to put it, I wish that's not right. $600, because I was about to say $1,350. That was the number I was thinking, but it's actually $600. It's actually $600. So altogether, that equals up to $910, and we have $1,133.78 left. Next, we're going to variable expenses. This is another thing that you do need to budget for. So things that you spend daily, such as groceries, gas, any miscellaneous things, any fun money, all of those things need to be included in the budget. Of course, I'm just budgeting off of pretty much what's important until I actually get paid. So groceries, 175, spending 55, travel 55, miscellaneous $15, which equals up to $300, with $833.78 left. Next, what we want to do is go to the debt. When it comes to the debt, I only have my car payment. Remember, as I pre-budget, I said I was only going to do $230. Of course, that may change once I get paid. I may do 340 or 350, could be, no, 240 or $50, maybe even 260. It just depends on the paycheck. So $230 for right now, with the leftover of $603.78. And then we have savings and challenges and all of that. Of course, these are things that are automatically saved for. Now, buffer is just what's left After the AT&T bill, the term life bill, and Google bill comes out, I do send a $65 payment to that bank account, and whatever is left I put in buffer. So SoFi $50, which SoFi has my emergency money in it, or some of it anyway. Next we have invest. When it comes to invest, I am doing at least, 15 to $33, no, $15 to $30 bi-weekly, because I did increase my 401k. I'm not to 10% or 15% just yet, but I'm slowly getting there. Navy Federal Savings Account, that is $5, and this just sits in the savings account unless I need it. Let's say I needed to actually swipe my Navy Federal debit card and I needed money, I would just take some money from the Navy Federal checking account. I'm pretty much putting money into there. That way I can just keep it open. And for some reason my shoe felt like it was stuck. So buffer again is $8, which was $225 altogether. And after subtracting, if I did that correct, let me check. Okay, y'all, so I did double check and I did calculate right. So I have 300, or would have $378.78 left. Now, typically, I could say, let's put all that money into savings and do saving challenges and all of that. But since this is a rather large amount of money, I would actually go through, let me show you. Okay, so this is all the cash that I've been spending for Christmas gifts and whatnot. So the ones that have a star beside it, I need to pay for this myself. I actually was thinking about taking that from Christmas, but I don't think I am. So I think I'm going to pay with that with cash myself, $57.41. Also, $134.38. That's when I got the vacuum and the printer. And the $4.42 is when I paid with a gift card. I just had an overage amount. I did return this toy that I got for Jasmine, but I noticed as soon as we got it, she wasn't going to play with it, y'all. This is one of those toys for, one of those chew toys that can't be broken or anything like that. But y'all, I noticed she wasn't going to play with it because that thing, it felt like it was hard as a freaking brick. So I quickly took it back, and what was left was $4.42. So I think I'm going to pay with the ones that have stars beside it with cash versus taking it from Christmas. And I'm pretty much done Christmas shopping. I know I need to get a gift card, and for here I just need to spend $20 to $25. So let's go back to the budget. Okay, $378.78 is left. Since I showed you all where I wanted some money to go, this is what part of it would look like. So Amazon, that $57 and whatever change it was. So I do have some money I need to go ahead and send to Discover, which is why you see the difference. So instead of me sending the $57 and some change, I would typically send $56.45. Then I would have $322.33. From Amazon, we have the $138.80. Of course, this is Amazon and Walmart both together. So I would have $183 53 cents left. Of course, Chris is doing her giveaway on my dad's birthday, which is December the 15th. Y'all, if y'all don't show up to anything else, y'all need to show up to Chris's giveaway. I kid you not. It is fun, fun, fun. And last year, which is crazy, which is still funny to me, somehow I won my own. I ended up winning my own gift. But of course, I put this dollar sign right here because I'm not going to tell how much I give because she don't know. I know she mentioned gift cards, so whatever I give, it will be in gift cards. I just need to send Chris an email. I mean, she knows I'm going to donate something, but I'm not going to put in the budget how much I'm going to donate. I will, put that in off to the side. So, as of right now, and I just dropped the pen. Clearly, I can't pick nothing up properly. So, we know that we're going to donate, and we know that we have $183.53 left. So, once I figure out how much I want to donate, what is that? Once I figure out what I want to donate or how much or whatever gift card or gift cards I'm going to buy, I will subtract that and you all will see that in the actual budget once I figure that out. Remember, I do get my paycheck check stub tomorrow on Tuesday, and I do get paid on Wednesday. I also have $20. I do have $20 sitting in my Chime account. It's just sitting there chilling, relaxing. I'm not sure if I'm going to send that to my Ally account for Christmas or not. For right now, at this moment, since I haven't gotten paid just yet, I am going to keep the money there. I also went to Walmart. I did grocery shop. I actually I guess you could say I didn't necessarily go over budget on purpose, but I did because when I get paid, I'll be at work and yeah, I'm working overtime, like I said, all this week. So by the time I get off, it will be black dark, and I don't want to go to the grocery store at 7 or 8 o'clock. So I did end up getting extra food, just a little bit, not too much. So when I get paid, the extra food that I get, I will be, you know, adding that amount to the groceries and paying Discover back for that. So that's it. That's the budget. This is the pre-budget for the first paycheck of December. And remember, I went by this right here. And I went also off of this right here. Of course, I could have added the saving challenges in, but I'll do that once I make the budget. That way we will have something that's clear, something plain, something something pretty 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 good to go by. So have a good night, you all. I am recording this on the 9th, and it is 6:18. I am a little late since I was at the grocery store. What grocery store? So let me go ahead and get this uploaded now. Bye.